Hi guys, my name's Annette.
And my name is Gary.
And my name is Peter.
And we are going to make some ice cream. And we've got our recipe from this Edible Science Project. I haven't actually got the book, it's such a popular book, it's out at the moment. But this is the cover of the book that we've taken the recipe from. So we're going to make ice cream in a bag. So we need ice first. So we've got some tubs of ice and we've got some large plastic bags. So we're going to pour the ice into the large plastic bags. Alright, and then once we've done that, pop that to one side. Now we're going to make our ice cream. So we've got some smaller bags here, as you can see, and in our smaller bags we're going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. So we'll just let the boys put their sugar in. You're right there, Gary, got your tablespoons all sorted. A tablespoon of sugar, and then half a cup of cream. So we've got some cream there, half a cup of cream in each bag. Speed cooking lesson. And then 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And that's the basics of our ice cream. Now we seal up that bag, seal it up tight, and then Peter, you're going to put your ice cream bag straight into your ice bag. Gary, your ice bag has got an S on it, so for you we're going to add some salt, about half a cup of salt to our ice, not to our ice cream bag, to our ice bag. Alright, now Gary's going to put his ice cream ingredients bag, which is sealed, into the ice, and then seal the big ice bag. Now you have to pick up your oven mitts, put your hands into the oven mitts so that the heat from your hands doesn't melt the ice, and here's where we start shaking. Have to shake the bag for 5 minutes. Don't time it. Shaking for about 2 minutes now. Peter, how's yours going? Is it getting any harder?
It's getting a little bit harder now.
And Gary?
Mine is getting harder.
Gary's is definitely getting harder. Yes. Okay, let's start shaking again. We've got 3 minutes to go. Been shaking for 5 minutes now. Let's open them up and have a look at what we've got. Now remember, Gary's is the bag that we put salt in. Pete's, we didn't put any salt in. How's yours gone, Pete?
Yeah, it's still soft in there.
It's still soft. So Pete didn't actually make ice cream. He's still got cream. Gary, how's yours?
Mine is just like ice cream.
Okay, well there's a spoon there. You can even have a taste if you like. So what's happened here is salt water freezes at a lower temperature than pure water. So I'll read this out so that it makes sense. As ice melts, the temperature around it drops, so it refreezes before warming and melting more. Salt water freezes at a lower temperature than pure water, so the bag with salt needs to get colder to refreeze. The colder temperature allows the ice cream ingredients to harden into ice cream. So let's have a look. What do you think, Gary? He's just having a sample now. You going to have a sample?
I will.
He's a bit worried. He's a bit worried about...
Bit concerned.
What's it like?
It's very vanilla-y.
It is. It's very nice
vanilla
ice cream, isn't it? So Peter is now going to have to put his into the bag with the salt and start shaking all over again. We will put a link to the recipe and the ingredients, and so that you can try this at home.